COPALUM, controlled oxidation of plastic aluminum upgrading method, is a patented technology designed to enhance the safety of aluminum wiring. It involves applying a fire-retardant coating to aluminum wiring, creating a protective barrier. This barrier plays a crucial role in preventing the formation of electrical arcs, thereby reducing the risk of overheating and subsequent fires. COPALUM has demonstrated a significant capability in reducing the risk of electrical fires in homes equipped with aluminum wiring. Studies indicate that it can prevent over 99% of fires that would otherwise be caused by aluminum wiring. If you're interested in acquiring COPALUM products, they are available through authorized distributors. To become a certified installer of COPALUM, you would need to attend a training course provided by the manufacturer. This course typically covers several essential areas. Firstly, safety precautions that must be followed during the installation process. Secondly, product application techniques to ensure proper and effective use of the coating. Thirdly, testing and inspection procedures to verify the integrity and effectiveness of the installed COPALUM system. The benefits of using COPALUM are substantial. Firstly, it reduces the risk of electrical fires caused by aluminum wiring, enhancing safety. Secondly, it meets or exceeds all applicable electrical codes, ensuring compliance with regulations. Thirdly, it preserves the existing wiring, eliminating the need for costly rewiring. Fourthly, it can be applied to both exposed and concealed aluminum wiring, providing versatility in application. Fifthly, it is quick and easy to install, minimizing disruption and labor costs. Electricians and homeowners who have utilized COPALUM have generally reported positive experiences, finding it to be an effective and cost-efficient solution for mitigating the risks associated with aluminum wiring. It's important to keep a few notes in mind. Firstly, COPALUM is not a permanent solution and requires regular maintenance and reapplication to maintain its effectiveness. Secondly, it is essential to have the installation performed by a qualified electrician who has been certified by the manufacturer to ensure proper application and safety. Thirdly, COPALUM may not be suitable for all types of aluminum wiring. Therefore, consulting with a qualified electrician is crucial to determine if it is an appropriate solution for the specific situation. Overall, COPALUM is a proven and effective method for reducing the risks associated with aluminum wiring. It offers a cost-effective and convenient way to protect older homes and communities from electrical fires. When dealing with aluminum wiring, it's important to understand the challenges it presents. Aluminum wiring was commonly installed in homes built between the 1960s and 1970s due to the rising cost of copper. However, it was later discovered that aluminum wiring poses a higher fire risk compared to copper wiring. This is mainly due to several factors. Firstly, aluminum expands and contracts more than copper with temperature changes, which can loosen connections over time. Secondly, aluminum oxidizes when exposed to air, creating a high resistance layer that can lead to overheating. Thirdly, aluminum is softer than copper, making it more susceptible to damage during installation. These issues can lead to loose connections, arcing, and ultimately, fires. Several methods can mitigate the risks associated with aluminum wiring. Firstly, pigtailing, which involves connecting a short piece of copper wire to the aluminum wire using a special connector approved for aluminum to copper connections. This ensures a secure and stable connection. Secondly, co/ola connector replacements, which involves replacing existing outlets and switches with those rated for use with aluminum wiring. These devices are designed to provide a more reliable connection. Thirdly, complete rewiring, which involves replacing all the aluminum wiring with copper wiring, which is the most effective but also the most expensive solution. COPALUM offers a different approach, providing a coating that protects the aluminum wire and prevents oxidation, reducing the risk of fire. When considering COPALUM, it's essential to understand its limitations. Firstly, it requires regular maintenance and reapplication, unlike rewiring, which is a permanent solution. Secondly, it relies on proper installation by certified electricians, which can add to the cost. Thirdly, it may not be suitable for all situations, especially if the existing wiring is already severely damaged. To determine if COPALUM is the right choice, a thorough inspection of the wiring is necessary. An electrician can assess the condition of the wiring and recommend the best course of action. This inspection should include checking for loose connections, signs of overheating, and any existing damage to the wiring. Based on the inspection results, the electrician can advise whether COPALUM, pigtailing, CO/ALR connector replacements, or complete rewiring is the most appropriate solution. Electrical codes and standards play a crucial role in ensuring the safety of electrical installations. The National Electrical Code, NEC, provides guidelines for safe wiring practices, including specific requirements for aluminum wiring. These requirements address issues such as proper connections, grounding, and overcurrent protection. Complying with the NEC is essential to minimize the risk of electrical fires and ensure the safety of occupants. When working with aluminum wiring, it's crucial to follow all applicable electrical codes and standards. This includes using approved connectors, properly torquing connections, and ensuring adequate grounding. It's also important to avoid mixing aluminum and copper wires in the same circuit without using approved connectors. Proper installation and maintenance are key to preventing electrical problems and ensuring the safety of the electrical system. In addition to COPALUM, other methods are available for mitigating the risks associated with aluminum wiring. These include using antioxidant compounds to prevent oxidation of the aluminum wire, installing arc fault circuit interrupters of size to detect and interrupt arcing faults, and using surge protectors to protect against voltage spikes that can damage electrical components. Each method has its advantages and disadvantages, and the best approach depends on the specific situation and the condition of the wiring. Antioxidant compounds help to prevent oxidation by creating a barrier between the aluminum wire and the air. This reduces the formation of high-resistance layers that can lead to overheating. SIs are designed to detect arcing faults, which are a common cause of electrical fires. When an arcing fault is detected, the SI quickly interrupts the circuit, preventing a fire from starting. Surge protectors protect against voltage spikes caused by lightning strikes or power surges. These spikes can damage electrical components and increase the risk of fire. When dealing with aluminum wiring, it's important to take a comprehensive approach that addresses all potential risks. This may involve using a combination of methods such as COPALUM, antioxidant compounds, SIs, and surge protectors. By taking a proactive approach, it's possible to significantly reduce the risk of electrical fires and ensure the safety of homes with aluminum wiring. The installation of COPALUM involves several steps. Firstly, the electrician will inspect the wiring to determine if COPALUM is an appropriate solution. Secondly, the electrician will clean the aluminum wiring to remove any dirt, corrosion, or oxidation. Thirdly, the electrician will apply the COPALUM coating to the wiring, ensuring complete coverage. Fourthly, the electrician will allow the coating to dry and cure according to the manufacturer's instructions. Fifthly, the electrician will test the connections to ensure they are secure and properly functioning. During the installation process, it's crucial to follow all safety precautions. This includes wearing appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves and eye protection, and working in a well-ventilated area. It's also important to disconnect the power to the circuit before working on the wiring to prevent electrical shock. After the installation, it's important to schedule regular inspections to ensure the COPALUM coating is still in good condition and the connections are secure. These inspections should be performed by a qualified electrician who is familiar with aluminum wiring and COPALUM systems. Regular maintenance and reapplication of the COPALUM coating may be necessary to maintain its effectiveness. When choosing an electrician to install COPALUM, it's important to select someone who is certified by the manufacturer and has experience working with aluminum wiring. A certified electrician will have the knowledge and skills necessary to properly install the COPALUM system and ensure it meets all applicable electrical codes and standards. It's also important to check the electrician's credentials and references to ensure they have a good reputation and a history of providing quality workmanship. Ask the electrician about their experience with COPALUM and their knowledge of aluminum wiring. A qualified electrician will be able to answer your questions and address any concerns you may have. The cost of installing COPALUM can vary depending on several factors, including the size of the home, the amount of aluminum wiring, and the electrician's labor rates. It's important to get several quotes from different electricians to compare prices and services. Keep in mind that the lowest price is not always the best option. It's important to choose an electrician who is qualified and experienced, even if they charge a slightly higher price. Consider the long-term benefits of installing COPALUM, such as reduced risk of electrical fires and increased home safety. These benefits can outweigh the initial costs of the installation. Also, check with your insurance company to see if they offer any discounts for homes with COPALUM installed. Some insurance companies may offer lower premiums for homes that have taken steps to mitigate the risks associated with aluminum wiring. In summary, COPALUM is a viable method for improving the safety of aluminum wiring in older homes. Firstly, understand the risks associated with aluminum wiring and the benefits of COPALUM. Secondly, find certified electricians to perform an inspection of the premises and provide a professional quote. Thirdly, be sure to compare quotes and check references, and ensure you understand that it must be reapplied over time. Fourthly, schedule regular inspections to ensure that it is working, and if not, determine if you need to reapply it. Keep in mind that it is not a one-time permanent fix, and it does require inspection to ensure that it will continue to operate safely.